How to fix PickU app not working. Is your PickU app not opening, crashing, or freezing? Don't worry. Let's fix it in just a few simple steps. First, close the app and reopen it. Go to Settings, scroll until you see App, tap it, tap PickU, tap Force Stop, tap OK, then reopen it. If it's still not working, tap on Settings, again tap App, again scroll until you see PickU, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Don't tap Clear Data unless you are okay losing save preference. If it's still not working, check for app updates. Open Google Play Store and search PickU and tap Update if available. Outdated version often cause crashes. If it's still not working, restart your phone. Sometimes a fresh reboot fixes everything. Also not working, uninstall and reinstall the app. Still not working, delete the app and reinstall it from the store. Make sure you are logged in so you don't lose any premium features. And that's it. One of these steps would fix your PickU issue and get you back to editing like a pro. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick mobile fixes. See you in the next one.